Hello guys, so today we are here in my garage. Just going to do a quick job, which is, I think it will be quick, which is I'm gonna replace a relay, I mean the rectifier. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, on this bike the rectifier is underneath the tank, on this area here, just on the frame. Don't know if you can see. No, you can't. But yeah, it's basically just attached to the frame, just behind here. So I'll just have to lift up the tank and then access it, unplug it, unscrew it, and then replace it. So it should be a straightforward job, hopefully. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is remove the seat, lift up the tank. I just need to unscrew a bolt from here and the other side, and then yeah, we'll be able to get there. So yeah, after getting the tank away, there it goes. There's the rectifier here. Removed both bolts, which is just two of them. These two, and then just need to unplug it and put the new one. And I'll show you the difference. So yeah, here you've got the difference between the two of them. So obviously, as you can see, this is the old one and the new one. The new one tends to provide more cooling because of these grooves and everything, so it's just not here. Well, anyway, I'm gonna remove this bit here. Yeah, it's already toasted. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, now we just remove this. I mean, this with one hand is difficult. Just gonna give a clean there on that surface. Just need a little wire brush just to clean the area where the ground was, so it makes more contact. That's good. Yeah, just going to plug it in. Tidy compared to this fucker. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put the tank back in place and everything else, the panels. Actually, I removed the tank. We'll have a quick look at the bike to check if everything seems okay, all the grounds and everything. Obviously I need to get a filter for this. It's a sub air filter. Got the carbs here. Yeah. This is the fuel pipe. This one. I think I just split it. But yeah, I'll get that replaced as well just now, because I bought new pipes. Yeah, I've got here the new fuel pipe with the both clamps on each side. This was the old one, which is completely solid and it's not reliable, so rubbish. So yeah, we'll get the one removed, and then yeah, what I might do is I'm gonna go take the bike outside, just because of the fuel smell, the petrol smell and everything. So yeah, I don't want to do it inside of the garage. So. Now it's all in place. I've got a new line. You can see it goes all the way through the carbs and here. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put the tank back on and connect it onto the tank, and yeah, I'll start it up. Yeah, just gonna have a look here. Oh, I really like this because it's like so easy to access the spark plugs. It's just like through here and that's it. Another one there, and the two on this side here as well. So yeah, it seems to be running good now. Just gonna check the voltage of the battery, because before it used to be like around, when it was running, it was around 12 to 13 volts. So I'm gonna check now. So it's now 14.2/3, so that's perfect. That's what we want. Yeah, got that. Temperature of the battery 14.3 or 2. That's what you need. Let me see on revs. Perfect. That is perfect. That's what you need. Sounds much better as well now. But yeah, all I needed to do is to replace the rectifier, which was cooked. So yeah, just turn this on, off for it. So yeah, what used to happen when I rode the bike, every time that I put the headlights on, I would see like on a road in front of me, it would be like the light would be really weak and flickering, and whenever I put the high beams, they would be really weak, like no difference at all in compared to the normal lights. So another thing that I used to witness was whenever I'm on a break for too long, like whenever I'm on a break for too long and I'm stationary and the bike is running, the bike would cut off, because obviously it's not holding charge as it should. It's not holding the battery is not holding charge. The rectifier is not doing its job. And then sometimes as well, pulling out of the garage, starting in the morning. There was a time that I was going to work and the bike didn't start, and I had to bump start it. It was in the morning or late afternoon, whenever, but like randomly that would happen because it would just somehow drain. And I haven't got any electronics on the bike. I kept them turned on other than the heat grips, but I always turn them off. But yeah, even the lights here, they would be really weak, but now you can clearly see them. If I press the brake, no difference. Yeah, it's really good. But yeah, so if you guys like have any problems with the charging system, obviously check the connectors of the battery, check for the grounds, and then if that doesn't work and if the voltage is always like, if the battery keeps dying but you don't know why, it could be the rectifier or even the charging system that goes in here inside of this casing, which I forgot the name, but yeah, we move. It's kind of like a alternator, but yeah, I don't know how they call it on the bikes. But yeah, that went well. So yeah, and I managed to replace the fuel line that was here, that was split. Where is it? Yeah, this one here. So yeah, there you go. It was split around the back so I couldn't see it. One of the symptoms that I was having was the intense smell of fuel, even though the bike is parked, or even while I'm riding, it smells a bit of fuel. But like, that's really dangerous, obviously, because if something goes wrong, night goes kaboom. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put everything back together, which is just one plastic on the other side here and the seat. This is why I love naked bikes, because all you need to do is you just need the plastic here, which is small, 2 bolts, and the seat. That's it. Nothing else. Everything else is just engine and machinery. It's all accessible. But yeah, and if it's not accessible from the side, you just remove the tank, which is 1 bolt here. Obviously remove the panels from the side, which is another 2 bolts, and then lift up the tank, obviously disconnecting the 3 pipes that are connected to it, but they just pop out. And yeah, easy. But yeah, later on I'll go for a ride just to test how it's doing. So it should be good. Yeah, got my leathers here, got new knee sliders, so it's good. Not that I'm some kind of Rossi or anything, I'm nothing like him, but yeah, it just look nice. Yeah, I'm gonna put everything back together. Just gonna start it once again. Yeah, everything is back together. Just gonna start it once again so you can see the difference. The difference. You didn't see how it was before anyway. But yeah, there is no struggles. Damn! I just fixed one other problem as well. Obviously, it might be all related. So the RPMs used to be like bouncing, and you could hear as well, like the engine going like a bit lumpy, and the RPMs were like bouncing here. Not too much like that, but just like there, just like do on idle. Oh boy! I cannot wait to go and ride it. Yeah, see you guys on the next one, because yeah, I've got lots of parts that I've ordered. They're all in the garage. things that I need to do on this bike. Stuff that needs to be replaced, because obviously it's a bike from 99, so it's old, it's been ridden, it's got many miles, but you know, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next videos.